Welcome to eiwayshop. Today, we're diving into the world of beauty tools, those essential items that every makeup lover needs in their arsenal. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, the right tools can make all the difference in achieving a flawless look. In this video, we'll cover the 5 must-have beauty tools that will elevate your makeup game and help you create stunning looks with ease. Beauty tool number 1, makeup brushes. First on our list is a quality set of makeup brushes. Makeup brushes are the backbone of any makeup routine, and having the right ones can significantly impact the application and finish of your makeup. Foundation brush. Let's start with the foundation brush. A good foundation brush helps in evenly distributing the product on your skin, giving you a smooth and flawless base. Opt for a brush with densely packed bristles that can blend liquid or cream foundations seamlessly into your skin. Powder brush. Next is the powder brush. This tool is essential for setting your makeup and ensuring it stays in place all day. Look for a large, fluffy brush that can pick up and distribute powder evenly without making your face look cakey. Blush and contour brushes. For blush and contour, specialized brushes make a huge difference. A blush brush typically has a rounded, soft head that allows for precise application on the apples of your cheeks. On the other hand, a contour brush usually has an angled head, perfect for defining and sculpting your cheekbones. Eyeshadow brushes. Eyeshadow brushes come in various shapes and sizes, each designed for specific tasks. A flat shader brush is perfect for packing color onto your lids, while a blending brush is essential for creating seamless transitions between shades. Having a few different eyeshadow brushes can help you achieve a variety of eye looks, from simple to dramatic. Beauty tool number 2, beauty blender. The second essential beauty tool every makeup lover needs is a beauty blender. This versatile sponge is a game changer for blending foundation, concealer, and other cream products. Its unique shape allows for both broad and precise application, making it a staple in many makeup routines. Using a beauty blender. To use a beauty blender, start by dampening it with water. Squeeze out any excess water so the sponge is just slightly damp. This helps the blender absorb less product and blend makeup more smoothly. Dab the beauty blender in your foundation or concealer and use a bouncing motion to apply the product to your skin. This method ensures a natural, airbrushed finish. Cleaning your beauty blender. Regularly cleaning your beauty blender is crucial to avoid bacteria buildup. Use a gentle cleanser or soap and thoroughly rinse out all makeup residue. Allow it to dry completely before using it again. Beauty tool number 3, eyelash curler. An eyelash curler is the third must-have beauty tool. It might seem like a simple device, but it can make a huge difference in how your lashes look. Curled lashes open up your eyes, making them appear bigger and more awake. How to use an eyelash curler. Using an eyelash curler is easy. Start by positioning the curler at the base of your lashes. Gently squeeze and hold for a few seconds. Move the curler slightly up your lashes and squeeze again to create a natural-looking curl. For best results, use the curler before applying mascara. Types of eyelash curlers. There are several types of eyelash curlers available, including traditional clamp-style curlers and heated curlers. Choose one that feels comfortable to use and gives you the best results. Beauty tool number 4, tweezers. Next on our list is a pair of good quality tweezers. Tweezers are essential for grooming your brows and can also come in handy for applying false lashes or dealing with stray hairs. Choosing the right tweezers. When it comes to tweezers, precision is key. Look for tweezers with a slanted tip for easy plucking. The slant allows you to grab individual hairs without pinching your skin. Stainless steel tweezers are durable and easy to clean, making them a great choice. How to use tweezers. To use tweezers, start by brushing your brows upwards. This helps you see the natural shape of your brows and identify any stray hairs. Pluck hairs in the direction of growth to minimize discomfort and avoid breaking the hair. Beauty tool number 5, makeup mirror. Last but not least, every makeup lover needs a good makeup mirror. A high-quality mirror with magnification can help you see every detail of your face, making precise makeup application much easier. Types of makeup mirrors. There are various types of makeup mirrors available, from handheld mirrors to large vanity mirrors. Magnifying mirrors are particularly useful for tasks that require precision, such as applying eyeliner or tweezing brows. Some mirrors also come with built-in LED lights, which mimic natural daylight and provide better illumination. Choosing the right mirror. When choosing a makeup mirror, consider the size and magnification. A mirror with 5x or 10x magnification can help you see finer details, while a larger mirror is useful for overall makeup application. Adjustable lighting is also a great feature, allowing you to customize the brightness according to your needs. And there you have it, 5 essential beauty tools every makeup lover needs in their collection. Whether you're a beginner or a beauty guru, having the right tools can elevate your makeup game and help you achieve professional-looking results at home. Invest in these must-have items and watch your makeup skills soar. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to eiwayshop for more beauty tips, tutorials, and product recommendations. Happy beautifying!